Paano magbabayad sa Pag-ibig Loan gamit ang GCash online? Hi guys, I'm Rika G and this is Rika G channel. Welcome back for another vlog, and before I start, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to be notified whenever I upload new videos. If you're new on this channel talks about lifestyle, tips, tutorials, and reviews. So for today's vlog, ituturo ko kung paano kayo magbabayad ng loan sa Pag-ibig through online. So watch this guys.
First, mag-open muna tayo ng Pag-ibig Virtual. Kung wala pa kayong Pag-ibig Virtual, you can watch my video tutorial kung paano gumawa ng virtual Pag-ibig account. Lalagay ko sa cards dito sa taas. Click nyo na lang to watch. Next is, tick natin tong box and proceed. And then, login natin yung account natin ng Pag-ibig Virtual. Click natin tong login. For security reasons, you will be asked to log in your virtual Pag-ibig account. Click natin tong continue. Then, input natin dito yung email address natin and password dito sa baba. And then, click natin tong login. Once na na-open na natin yung Pag-ibig Virtual natin and napunta tayo sa homepage, scroll down natin pababa hanggang sa makita natin dito sa left side yung payments. So, ito yung payments. Click natin tong Pay Online. Under sa payments, ito yung mga option natin. Regular savings, MP2 savings, housing loan processing fee, multipurpose loan, calamity loan, advance insurance. Ang pipiliin ko is yung multipurpose loan. Kapag na-click na natin itong multipurpose loan, next is membership category. So, piliin natin yung local. And then, payment method, click natin yung PayMaya or GCash. And then, enter natin yung Pag-ibig MID number, yung 12-digit na Pag-ibig number. And click natin tong verify. Pila pa natin tong borrower's name, amortization, and amount due. And then, click natin tong next. Next is, pila pa natin tong billing address. Zip code. Sa country is Philippines. And yung contact number natin. Also, yung email address. And kailangan nating i-enter itong code. So, kung ano lang yung nandito, kung capital siya, capital din dapat dito. Kung numerical, numerical. Dapat lang same na same yung code na i-enter dito sa box sa nag-appear dito sa gilid. Then, click natin tong I agree with the terms and condition. And then, click natin tong next. Next is, click natin tong proceed. So, dito, piliin natin tong GCash. And mag-a-appear itong order summary. And then, ilalagin natin yung GCash natin. Lagyan natin yung number natin and click natin itong next. Magsisend ng code sa cellphone number natin ng 6 digit and i-input natin dito yung code. Hihingin naman niya yung password ng GCash natin and ilalagin natin. So, click lang natin tong pay, pero i-check natin yung amount. And mag-a-appear na itong payment successful. Makaka-receive din tayo ng text message. Nakalagay yung time, date, and reference number ng payment. Pwede din tayong magbayad directly sa app ng GCash through our cellphone. So, ilalagin lang natin yung GCash natin. Enter natin yung PIN. And then, scroll natin sa baba hanggang sa makarating tayo dito sa Lifestyle and Shopping. Hanapin natin tong government. And then, scroll ulit tayo pababa hanggang sa makita natin yung Pag-ibig OFW. So, kahit nasa Philippines ka, pwede yung Pag-ibig OFW. Ito yung pipiliin natin kasi dito lang may options ng mga type of payment like membership savings, housing loan, short-term loan, calamity loan, and modified Pag-ibig 2. Yung iba kasi is walang ganitong option. So, fill upan natin ulit yung mga details na kailangan. And then, click natin itong next. And then, after that, click na natin itong confirm to confirm the payment. Yung posting nito is 3 days before nyo makita dun sa Pag-ibig virtual account nyo.
That's it. Thank you for watching Rika G channel. Bye!